Boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pandu from Tech Dude. Recently I've been editing my YouTube video, then my motherboard unfortunately stopped functioning. I've done various cross checks, but there is no use. I have to give it for servicings. But now we are going to do in this video, it's a kind of a different video. Just I'm going to rebuild a PC by using new motherboard, and I'm going to show you how to build a PC. Like it's a proper video, but I'm not going to take so much time of you people. Just I'm going to do it in within 20 minutes, and this is my challenge from you. And if you are new to this channel,
I am broken, words unspoken. I'm afraid I'm drowning underneath. I got lost in
and here you can see we got motherboard from ASRock. As here you can see, this is a motherboard from ASRock B450 MSDB R4.0 version, and it supports both AMD 2nd, 3rd Gen, 4th Gen and 5th Gen processors. As you can see, we are mentioned in the box, and it is Windows 7 ready motherboard. And at the back here you can see another details such as it supports M.USB, and it SSD, and it has 4 USBs and all this stuff. And I bought from this motherboard from Amazon for 8,000 rupees. And let us see what is inside this motherboard. As here you can see, as you guys here you can see, these are the some of the manufacturing details right here and all those stuff. And here you can see inside the box, here you may get SATA cable and IO shield, and this is nothing but ASRock drivers, motherboard drivers. And here you can see this is a screw for M.2 SSD, as you can see. And here you can see this is a user manual. Oh lord, and in this silver foil, as you can see, here is the motherboard. And here you can see there are 2 RAM DIMM slots, and here you can see the motherboard series name, and here you can see the M.2 SSD and all the stuff. Behind here you can see it comes with 4 USB 3.1, 1 Ethernet port, and 2 USB 2.0 and VGA HDMI, and these are the audio ports, as you can see right there. Before placing the CPU, just remove this thing, and here you can see there is a small dot right here, and let me zoom it in a bit. There you can see there is a small golden dot here. Just see the motherboard, there is one golden point. Just place it like this, don't apply any pressure, and just press this lever down. As here you can see the CPU got fit properly. Wait a minute, let me show it to you properly. It's not falling off, as here you can see. And this is how you should place this CPU. Now here we are going to insert RAMs, and here you can see these are DDR4 RAM stick from Corsair, and it's 3200 megahertz RAM sticks. Just place them accordingly. Just open the levers and just press it until they are aligned. There you can see you have heard the noise, and just loosen them and just place the RAM stick, and there you can see it has placed successfully. Now here I am going to show you how to use the M.2 SSD. Here you can see this is an M.2 SSD. As here you can see there is an M.2. There you can see M.2's thing. Just place this like this, and just dock it in a simple way, as I'm doing now. Just dock it simply, and just take this screw from here and just tight it up. Now here you can see this is a cooler from Cool Master. As here you can see, just place this cooler and just lock it, and here you can see the cooler is fitted perfectly. And before doing just here you can see on the motherboard there is a single called CPU fan right there, and just as here you can see this is an cabinet, and I have installed IO shield, and this is an micro ATX motherboard, so I'm just aligning with the holes as you can see in the cabinet, and just place it and just align the ports with the IO shield so that it fits properly. There you can see it just have fitted, but I have to remove the wires from beneath so that I can place it properly. There you go, I have done it pretty well as you can see. Now after just placing the motherboard, and you have to align, fix the screws to the board so that it doesn't move. As here you can see there is a star screw I'm going to fix there, and you have to fix the screws on the four sides of the motherboard so it won't move while you are moving your PC cabinet from one place to another place. It stay fixed. And here you can see we have to just place the screws in a crossway so that the motherboard can fix properly, and make sure you have fixed the screws tightly. As here you can see wiring and cable management plays an important role while coming to PC building. Here you can see these are the cables which connects with the cabinet to motherboard. These play a crucial role. Basically it consists of power button, reset button, and etc. And here you can see this is how my PC looks after the wiring. And clean wiring is also necessary for ventilation and placing your PC parts properly, and you need zip ties to do proper wiring. And after completing the wiring, just place your graphic card in the slot, and just use the 6-pin power adapter from your PSU. It's nothing but PSU is nothing but power supply unit, and just plugging the power supply unit to the graphic card. As here you can see, just do it. After plugging the power card, just turn on your PC connecting to your monitor, and cross check the connections before plugging in so that you may find any errors or something so that you can correct them right now. And finally here you can see the PC is lighted up, and here you can see the PC is working pretty good, and it's booted up successfully. And if you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Just drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel. Signing off, your Tech.